Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the KWC Desert Eagle. As you see, I already opened the box just to check if everything was there and stuff. Let me move that out of the way. I got this off of evike.com, very great site to get guns off of. Yeah, and I'll just start on the unboxing. Paper. You always get paper. Paper is the best part of the package. Warranty paper. Stop. And thank you paper that I haven't even opened. Only have one hand. I'll read it later. So, when I bought this, I also bought 0.25 gram BBs, Elite Force BBs. Never actually bought any of these before, but I'm pretty sure they're pretty good. Got a Tornado holster. I'll have to check that again, I think, but it's for my left leg because I'm a lefty shooter and stuff. Yeah, this is just an unboxing, so I'll make it quick. And then right here we had the Desert Eagle with all the stuff. It's CO2 powered. Yeah, it's Desert Eagle. It's freaking massive. Like massive. I've already opened it, checked everything and stuff. And there it is. The Desert Eagle. It comes with the old-fashioned speed loader, which is pretty cool. BBs, yeah. Allen wrench, of course, to put the CO2 in, and then it comes with the gun itself, which I don't know how to take out. Sorry for the noise. I know I don't like it, and I'm pretty sure most of you people don't either. But here's the gun compared to my hand. It is freaking massive. Like, wow. Yeah, I cocked the hammer back. Hold on, let me swap hands. Because I'm a left-handy. Lefty. It's not ambidextrous for the mag release, but I mean the mag weighs a lot because I'm pretty sure it's full metal. Lower receiver is plastic, and then the upper receiver I'm pretty sure is metal. This it comes with the warning. Comes with the license. It's blurry. I'm doing this on my iPhone because I don't have a good camera. Besides that, it doesn't have night sights. It just has the regular iron sights. It comes with the orange tip, and I like the short trigger pull. But yeah, it's really nice. I'll do a review and a shooting test over it later. But yeah, the package weighed in at 7 pounds. I got it off of evike.com for everything. I got it for $175. And yeah, that should wrap it up. There's the box.